Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the pen mode on the HiPaint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device, open a project, and tap to the 3 point on the upper right corner of the screen and find the sketch settings section and search the pen mode option and tap to the next white circle, and this enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.